come to my driveway, fully loaded. This hill gets pretty steep, so we're gonna see how this goes. I got it in 4-wheel drive. They put a couple cinders down right here, get you a run for it. I think we got it though. All Luma duty, putting in some old work. Would you look at that? Got it stuck. Got it unstrapped. Hopefully this bitch comes unstuck after I get that big thing off. Oh, today just kind of sucked. Everything about it. Driving through a blizzard with this truck and trailer. Stupid drivers. They don't know how to drive. My freaking Google Maps wanted to send me the wrong direction. Literally sent me in the wrong direction. Like corrected itself and changed where I was heading to 3 different times and added an extra 2 hours onto my trip. And not to mention today's my birthday, so I wanted to not be in my truck all day driving. Would have been nice. Now my truck's stuck and literally the worst day. Like I'm so over today. Gabe's truck has started up, warmed up a little bit. Good thing it's got 53s because they don't need ramps. And I put it on the ground anyways. So this is gonna be interesting. We got it unloaded, so we're gonna try to get it out now. Well, maybe now that there's no weight on it, maybe it'll come out. Well, here goes nothing. Sick, I'm actually stuck. Just fucking threw mud everywhere. Yeah, so let's just say it did not come out. It's definitely still stuck. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. No diff fluid. Is always my axle on the ground? No shit. Look at that. Pretty darn close. I like it. I like when shit gets this rowdy. Sick. Hopefully this is a good cold starter. Uh-oh. Yeah, not VGT. Forever. Forever. It doesn't like it. Said, fuck you. Oh, look, it cleaned up. So my other 6.7, you can see a little. Oh, you can see the headlight. You can see the headlight. Anyways, it was pretty rowdy. Hopefully this one's rowdy as fuck. Nope, that's the tailgate. Wait for it. Yep, now we gotta try to get this thing unstuck. We're gonna use Megan the motherfucking Stallion. Nope, can't do it. Come on, you piece of shit. go forward? Yep, so now I gotta fill these holes in. Oh my God, those are the front holes. Holy shit. Yeah, I gotta get a shovel. Oh my God. That's bad. Let's just bury that up. Don't even need to worry about that. It's not even here. That's frozen. Ah, fuck. Yep, that's a fucking hole. Sick. Honestly, it's deep.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
This thing's lit up too, pretty good.